Welcome to Peaches and Cream. Today we're going to make giant gooey chocolate chip cookies. Let's begin by combining 2 cups of bread flour, 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The high gluten content in the bread flour gives these cookies structure and a wonderful chewy texture. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box. Set the dry ingredients aside and cream together 1 cup of soft butter, 3/4 of a cup of granulated white sugar, 1 1/4 cups of packed brown sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The brown sugar will add to the perfect chewiness of these cookies and keep them from getting hard or brittle. Add 1 large egg and mix until smooth. Add the dry ingredients and mix well. This is a very firm dough, so if it seems too stiff to stir, just get your hands in there and forget the spoon. It will look like too much flour at first, but keep mixing and it will come together. This should be what it looks like, stiff and smooth, and it should not stick to your hands. If it is sticky, add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to reach the right consistency. I live in a very humid area, so I always need the extra 1/4 cup. Add 2 cups of chocolate chips. I'm using a combination of semi-sweet and bittersweet chocolate today. Using 1/3 of a cup measurement, divide the dough and roll into balls. This recipe should make 13 really big cookies. Seal the dough balls in a large Ziploc and chill for about 1 hour or until they are hard. If you don't have time for this step, it's fine, they will still turn out great. Okay, so after the dough is chilled, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. On a parchment-lined baking pan, arrange 5 cookie balls at least 3 inches apart. Flatten the dough with the palm of your hand. This will ensure that the cookies bake evenly. Bake the cookies for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. If you like to eat your cookies while they're warm, bake them for 20 minutes. But if you want to eat them cooled, only bake for 15 minutes to ensure that they retain their moisture. The first batch I baked for 20 minutes. I'm going to show y'all a batch baked for 15 minutes. They should be a lighter golden color, and the center should be very soft and almost look a little doughy. Let them cool completely on the pan. Use visual cues to test doneness, as every oven is different. Don't overbake them. Remember, an underbaked cookie is always better than an overbaked one. This is the softer cookie, and this, y'all, this is that perfect chewy texture I was talking about. This is the slightly darker baked one, and though it is a little different in texture, as you can see, it still maintains that perfect chewiness. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching.